This is how to send audio as documents in WhatsApp, which will allow you send longer audio files or complete audio files. First, we are going to hit the WhatsApp icon and then we are going to locate our contact. We can do that by searching for our contact. And then when we're there, we're just going to scroll to the bottom and hit the attachment button. If that pops up, we are just going to hit the back button and then try again. And then we are just going to hit the document button and then scroll up to browse documents. We can already select some audio down there, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just hit the option button and then we are going to scroll down to audio. Mine is already highlighted. I have already organized my audio files into folders. So all you have to do is select the one you want. Now you can hit the headphones icon beside the file you want to select it, and then you can go up and click select. And there is the file we want to send. You can go ahead and hit the send button, or you can just add a caption for your contact. I am typing song as the caption, and then I'm going to hit the send button. And there you're done. That is our audio file sent as a document to our contact. This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to help us grow.